How to structure your resumes properly. Now, a lot of people get confused or don't know how to present information in their resumes. They're not sure how to structure the information in their resumes. They're not sure what to put first, what to put second. There's so many templates online that it's easy to get confused. And this is something that I've struggled with as well, is how I should showcase information in my resumes. Now, a resume is the most important thing in your journey of getting a job. Making your resume understandable to recruiters is the essential step in your job journey. So make sure you follow the structure that I'll be presenting today to ensure that your resume has the maximum chances of getting selected by recruiters. So this is something that I've struggled with as well, is how I should structure my resume. So I'll be going over a structure in this video, how you guys can structure your resumes as well. Now, this video is mainly for software engineers or students who want to get internships at big software companies, or even professionals who are looking to make a transition from other fields into software engineering. Now, this structure revolves around the tech industry. So just keep that in mind as you watch this video. Now, this structure that I'll be presenting today was actually recommended to me by a principal group engineering manager at Microsoft, someone who I spoke to a couple of years ago and was super generous enough to give me some tips on my resumes. Now, I've made another video on common mistakes people make in their resumes, so go check that out. I'll link it in the description down below. And for the structure I'll be presenting, I also have a free template that I'll link down in the description below that you guys can follow. So here's how you should structure your resumes. So first off, you should start off with your projects. So you should structure your resumes as the following: project, skills, education, job experience, awards, and accomplishments. So number one, projects. Now, one thing that you need to make sure is you have all the essential things that showcase your skills. So say if you're a developer, all the programming language that you worked on the start of your resume. Now, recruiters don't have a lot of time. They're usually just quickly scanning through resumes and looking for keywords. So make sure you use super important keywords. So like say you have a project that you worked on, your project name, you give a little description on top, on the bottom of it, say like developed a Java application for X, and then give some metric as well, like provide some impact that that project have, like developed a restaurant app that increased their sales by 30% or something like that. So just make sure to always have key information, key skills that you know at the top of your resume. So first you have your projects, your key skills, then follow that with your education. The second most important thing after your skill set that recruiters want to know is your educational background. So make sure you have all your educational backgrounds clearly laid out. And this is super important for people who are looking for an internship, because interns usually don't necessarily have a lot of experience or a lot of skills. So what recruiters look for is their academics, what degree they're pursuing, how they're doing in college. So make sure to have the second section of your resume on your education. So the simple template that I linked down in the description below, the way you do that, just by the name of the university or college that you go to, and then a short description of what you're studying, maybe some of your achievements you can highlight there, like a 4.0 GPA or whatever that is. And the third thing that you want to show is your job experience. Now, job experience, the one thing that's super important is always have this reverse chronological. So what I mean by that is your recent job should always come first. Now, recruiters, as I said again, are quickly scanning through resumes. They don't have a lot of time. So they just look for what you're working on currently. So if you are working on currently, say you're a student and you're working with like a super small tech firm, for example, list that at the top of your job experience section. So always remember to go from recent to last in your job experience section. And then the fourth thing at the end is your awards, your accomplishments, some of the extracurricular stuff that you've done. Now, this is a place where you get to showcase some of the other non-traditional, like school or work-related achievements that you've done. So say like you were a star player in like a major tournament, well, list that all that information in, any information that's relevant. So make sure to list that in your awards and accomplishment section. So this was a super quick video on what structure you guys can follow on your resumes. So projects, skills, job experience, awards, and accomplishments. So make sure you guys use the free template I've linked in the description down below. So make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what type of videos you guys would like me to make in the future. And I'll see you in the next one.